Right, anyway. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's show you where we are in a minute.
I'm just trying to find OS maps because we're going for a walk, and yeah, we're going to try. We're going to give it a try. Off a pin here. Routes. We're looking for a route.
Let's have a look at the
Download map.
Oh, I can't see it because it just
Start
reflects.
route. So we're having sandwiches today, are we? We're going to have a wrap.
It's a wrap. I'm doing both sides because we get a little bit more hus. I think I'll put some tomatoes, a bit of that in.
Wow, you're going for it, aren't you?
Could have a few slices of radish.
Yeah.
Because I like a bit of radish.
I know, I've seen that. I've seen you liking radish
Oh,
before.
look.
Wouldn't it? Nice. It would have been nice. You're looking very glorious today, darling, if you don't mind me saying so.
Oh, is it?
Oh, they're not bad, are they?
Nice pair, huh?
Sure.
What do you
Nice
think?
pair of baps there, love.
Yes, indeed.
Well done.
Right, now pop the lid on.
That's it, done. Are we ready now?
Seal them up.
Let's
So
go.
green.
It's a beautiful day, you know.
Stunning.
The sun's,
And considering
Light's
the winds
amazing.
that we had yesterday,
yeah.
it's so still today.
I'm getting a bit hot and flustered, actually. They're cool, aren't they?
They're lovely. Oh, they're lovely.
Could make some of them out of plywood, you know.
Made by Must Forge.
Couldn't I?
Out of ply.
Yeah. Imagine that.
Fit together sheet. Very cool.
Come
Right,
on. Off to the what's it then?
Let us leave.
Do you want me to push you?
No.
Watch the leaves. The leaves look a bit slippy.
I know. Oh, we're on a bridge. Listen
Wow,
to the
that
water.
looks stunning, doesn't it? Can you get a photo of that?
No, I'm not photoing it, I'm videoing. Where are we? It's so bright. Let's go this side. Hold on.
You got one?
No, I take pictures on my phone, videos with my camera.
Get a picture, darling. Pretend you're going down steps, darling.
Your car parking charges supports the award-winning work of charitable trust, the care of locomotives, infrastructure and preservation of one of the world's greatest heritage railways.
All right.
Isn't that wonderful?
That's absolutely wonderful.
Yes. Our car parking fee helps to do all that.
Oh, cool.
This station's currently closed.
Oh, is it?
Yes, COVID-19 mitigations.
Oh, shit. So we can't go to Whitby from here then?
No.
So, how far have we come so far?
Oh, probably about a quarter of a mile.
We've not come far, have we? We've only come...
0.29.
Do you know, I'm actually too hot.
Quarter of a mile. Well, you can take your hat off, although then you're going to have hat hair. Going to look a bit ridiculous. Hat hair. I'll put it in my bag.
Yeah. And we've not gone far. The station's closed, did you say?
Yes, the station's closed.
I'm really hot.
Well,
Okay, I might put this in the bag as well.
it is a beautiful day.
It is a stunning, darling. Absolutely.
Gosh, this is like
Oh, shit, look, I've left that
fantastic
open.
Spring day.
It is, yeah.
Boing. That's as much as I can jump.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Disco, baby. 1 in 49, 1 in 138.
What does that mean?
No
Well,
idea.
that's the steepness, is it, darling? No smoking, including e-cigarettes.
Yeah. Yeah, just take a picture.
Looking and listening.
Looking and listening. Crossing carefully, not smoking. Make sure you shut the gate.
I will, darling.
Otherwise,
Oh,
you'll be fined £2
look. £2.
for being neglectful. Which way? That way or
Up
that
there,
way?
yeah. Up
That
there,
way.
I think.
Up.
I think
Or
so.
that way.
We'll just have a
Oh,
have a look
yes.
at your map. Have you got your map?
Let's have a look at the map. Hold on. Map.
Do you know which way we're going?
Let's just park the
Send to
sticks.
yourself.
Where are we? We're down here,
Yeah,
aren't
we
we?
go up
There.
the side of the railway. Off we go. I'm breathing a bit, darling.
I know, I can hear you.
Are you breathing a bit?
Not now.
I am breathing a bit. Yeah. Look at the truck right on the top of the hills.
Yes. I can see the trucks.
Come on then, let's go. Onward.
Zippity-doo-dah.
Is it time for a sandwich yet?
So I'm having to tread carefully because my knee's a bit scrivy.
Oh, right.
And this is a bit slippery.
Yeah, it
Slippery
is.
kind of mud. It's like slip.
Yeah. It is, you're right.
Oh, God, now we're going downhill. That's
Oh,
going
my
to be
God.
tricky. I need a handrail.
Where are you going to handrail down, though?
Well,
Wow, it's very steep, darling.
no.
Will it be okay down here?
Well, let's hope so. There are lots of tree roots for me to trip up.
Yeah. enjoyed your walk so far, Mrs.
Oh, it's been splendid. Absolutely lovely. Gosh, that sun is so bright. I can't see.
Have we got time to get the whole rest of the walk done? How's the time coming along?
Mr. Wolf, I don't know. What is the time?
The time is 2 o'clock. We've only got a couple of hours.
Oh, that's okay. We've only got 4 miles, 4.5 miles to walk. Mind.
Should do that, shouldn't we?
Well, if we don't keep fiffing around with photography and the like. Mind. I mean, what? You've nearly finished your beer. I've nearly finished mine.
That's hardly nearly finished.
Oh, it will be. Oh, it's so nice here. It's so northern. Birds tweeting. The Yorkshire Rose on the gate.
Yes.
The northern pub.
The gays.
The Alan Bennetts.
The Alan Bennetts up north.
Well, I said to Mother.
Yeah, that's a problem, isn't it?
The midgets.
Oh, I thought you'd just been gay.
I went
Chasing a midget.
chasing the midget out of the way.
Gay midget.
Now I've turned again. What have you done to me, man?
You turned northern gay.
Right, let me put my knicker on. Did you want a, sorry?
Oh, what?
Sorry.
Later. You can't have a sorry in here.
It says all deliveries. Blow your horn. Oh.
Yeah, the birch something. Are you nearly ready? Are you nearly ready?
I'm ready. Oh dear, there we are.
How's the legs coming along?
Oh, it's not the legs that you need to worry about now.
Well, what do I have to worry about?
Everything else.
Oh.
Caution, overhead power lines. Where? Not very good at striding, but...
Look at those steps, darling.
Oh, shit.
Jesus.
She's on the dizzle,
The camera
darling.
there.
Arse. Arse.
There you are, look, there you
Arse.
are. There she goes up there. Look at those steps. These are tricky.
Steep.
Are they?
Yep.
Wow, look at them. Can you get up there?
Don't look up. He's only had one pint, I've had two.
Action!
Whatever.
How is it?
Steep.
Nice
But
steps.
I'm going, I'm doing it. Hey up, lad. Nice. Oh, that's okay.
Have you got a signal, darling?
No.
Are we completely lost?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Sorry, I binned the
The map.
map.
Oh, God.
Yeah, but
Oh, we're lost.
yeah.
Completely lost now.
Kind of lost.
No, not kind of, completely.
Yeah. Kind of completely lost. Yeah.
Nice big logs in there.
Thank goodness for handrails.
Yes. Thank goodness.
Oh, there we are.
Oh, I'm looking forward to a bit of action later.
No.
Come on.
No.
Listen to that river rivering.
I know.
Can you hear it?
Obviously, I can hear it.
Looks stunning.
Deafening.
It is
Look at this boardwalk. And the river. Isn't it gorgeous?
Looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at that river, darling.
Oh dear. Got my stick stuck.
Stick stuck.
Stick stuck.
Oh, it's a bit muddy, darling.
I'm purposely walking though.
Hold on. How's it going up there?
Jolly marvellous, actually. Jolly marvellous. It's a nice path to follow.
Yeah.
Not sure where it's going to take us. Yeah. Gosh, got to look where you're stepping, babes.
Yeah, you check where you're stepping.
Well, yes, I am. Because you know what I'm like.
This is very
Mad crazy fool.
slippery.
Ooh, dear.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't slip, it looks very slippery.
Oh, this is tricky, isn't it?
There's waterfalls and steps and everything.
Oopsie. Here we go.
Can you get through?
Yes, of course I can get through, sweetie.
It's not really a footpath, is it?
Huh?
It's not exactly a footpath.
Not really. Not a place for sticks, really.
Can you manage, darling?
Oh, yeah. Hopefully. Not easy. Yeah, money grows on trees. Oh, dear. Now then, now then.
What happened there, darling?
Just got to help my leg over. Look at this.
Let's have a look.
All this money. 20 pences, 10 pences, 2 pences.
You are kidding, look at it. There's
It is
loads
stuffed
of it.
full of money. You're ever short of 2 car parking change.
Show me the money tree. Don't try and steal it.
That one's not very well stuck in. Oh, I like that little...
What is it?
I wonder if that will grow.
Take it, because it could be a money tree.
That's a baby money
Someone's
tree.
actually put a wash around this side.
No way.
Yeah.
Cheaters. People must have come here with mallets. Oh no,
Yeah.
stones.
Yeah, stones, I mean.
Got my foot stuck. Look at that!
What?
Look! Looks like a scary Greek mythology bull thing.
Yes.
Brrr.
That is stunning, isn't it?
That is so pretty.
Isn't it?
Wow. Nice, I like this place.
Oh, I do. Can you get up there? Can you get up there, darling?
Of course I can get up there. Mind you, we are heading away from Goathland now.
Where are we going? Hold on, let me look. Oh, yeah.
Bit muddy. But yeah, we should be able to get through. Whoop. That's what happens when you mess about in the river, darling.
I know.
You get soaked. Oops.
Oh, what happened there, darling?
I had a little trip. Stumble on a rock.
Is it a money tree, darling?
Money tree. Only on the end, though. I like its little wig.
Yeah, it does look like a money tree, like the hairpiece.
Oh, there we are.
What?
Look at this.
Must have been a better bridge here at one time.
There must have been a better bridge.
And there's another bridge there. What is that, darling?
It's a money tree, darling.
Not another one.
Another one. Somebody's put a nail in it, a screw.
And what is this sort of money? What money have you got?
Well, there's lots of 10p pieces and 2p pieces. Some of them have the denomination has disappeared. Some of them are foreign. French francs, euros.
You're kidding me?
No. That's quite... How lovely. Isn't that
How
sweet?
lovely. What a lovely money tree.
I love it that everybody keeps
And it goes
putting
on for
money in the
miles,
trees.
look. Right to the end. Can you imagine that in Peterborough?
Yeah, somebody would have burnt the wood and stolen the money.
That's a good idea, actually. You got any matches?
Come on.
Jolly good. Well done, darling.
Why, thank you.
You did very well there.
Thank you.
Extremely well.
Yes, there we are.
Up those steps, then.
Oh, up those
Is that
steps.
too much?
No, 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 no.
Can you
It's
get
this
up
bit
there?
that's a little bit much. Oh dear. Now
When you're
then.
ready.
Now then. Here we go. Are we ready? Marching.
There we are.
Are you
That's
sure?
easy, wasn't it?
Oh, look at this. Just have a little sit down here before we get back to the van.
Well, we're finished now, darling. We've only got to go down there. And that says, whose is this one?
In loving memory of Harry Etherton. Oh, sadly missed.
Oh, I've missed him.
2016 he passed.
So,
That's lovely.
we've had a really nice walk.
Splendid.
Splendid, wasn't it? One pub stop,
One pub stop.
2 pints of beetroot ale.
That was lovely.
Yeah, really
Belgian
nice.
blue.
Belgian blue, which was pink.
Was purple.
Purple.
Purple. I think purple.
Anyway, we've just got to go down there to the car.
Yeah, nearly
We've
done.
not, how far have we gone so far?
Not very far. 4 miles and a bit.
4 miles, that's all.
4.5
But it's
miles.
been a stunning walk.
It's only taken us nearly 5 hours.
Well, that did include a pub stop.
Yes, we did spend at least an hour at the pub.
Yes.
So that's all good then.
Anyway, we're going to go and have some soup now.
Yes.
And,
My legs are really good today.
oh yeah, you are. They
Oh,
are.
no, I'm
And your bottom as well,
surprised.
darling.
Oh, thank you. But my knee has held up really well. Quite pleased with that.
Come on then, let's go, because there's people coming now. You
Let's
ready?